What really makes a car feel luxurious in 2025? Is it that instant rush when you tap the pedal? Or the quiet hum of a perfectly tuned engine that seems to understand your mood before you do? In today's video, we shall explore the top 8 luxury cars with next-level technology. The ones that don't just move you physically, they move you emotionally. Each one is a perfect mix of power, design, and intelligence that makes driving feel almost effortless. And make sure you stick around till the end, because the number 1 car on this list will absolutely amaze you. All right, let's get into it. Number 8, Mercedes-Benz CLA 2025. Let's start small, but don't be fooled by its size. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz CLA is proof that luxury doesn't have to be huge to feel futuristic. From the outside, it's sleek and sculpted, every curve drawn with precision and purpose. Step inside, and it instantly feels like stepping into tomorrow. 2 wide digital screens stretch across the dash, merging art with innovation. The latest MBUX system responds to your voice like a natural conversation. Tell it you're cold, and it warms you up. Ask for your favorite track, and it plays before you finish the sentence. At night, ambient lights glow softly through the cabin, pulsing with your music or mood. It's immersive and emotional. On the road, it's balanced, tight when you push it, serene when you cruise. Number 7, Volkswagen Arteon 2026. Next up is the Volkswagen Arteon, a car that defines subtle sophistication. It doesn't shout, it glides. Every line on its body feels deliberate, sleek, and perfectly proportioned, like modern architecture in motion. Slip inside, and a sense of calm takes over. The cabin is clean and organized, with a crisp digital cockpit that gives you everything you need without overwhelming you. It's simple, elegant, and refreshingly human. Out on the road, the travel assist system keeps you centered and adjusts your speed automatically. It's like having an invisible co-pilot that just gets you. The Matrix LED headlights adapt beautifully, lighting up dark roads without blinding anyone else. Small detail, big comfort. The Arteon is for drivers who value quiet confidence over flash. It's refined, intelligent, and quietly beautiful. The kind of car that impresses without even trying. Number 6, Tesla Model Y 2026. Now, let's talk about a car that keeps rewriting its own story, the Tesla Model Y. You might think you know it already, but this one's evolved. On the outside, it's familiar. Under the surface, it's completely reimagined. Step inside and minimalism takes the lead. Just one massive screen, controlling everything, from your mirrors to the music to the air you breathe. It's all fluid, fast, and effortlessly futuristic. Tesla's Vision 2.0 system watches the world around you through advanced cameras, making autopilot, parking, and lane changes smoother than ever. And here's the magic: the car learns as it drives. It improves overnight with software updates, adding features or sharpening performance while you sleep. Acceleration? Instant. Silence? Absolute. It's like piloting a spaceship that gets smarter every day. The Model Y proves that luxury isn't static anymore. It's alive and always evolving. Number 5, BMW i5 2025. Now we're stepping into the boardroom of electric luxury, the BMW i5. It's confident, poised, and deeply satisfying to drive, the kind of car that blends tradition with transformation. Inside, you're greeted by one sweeping curved display that looks like it belongs in a high-end concept car. BMW's latest iDrive system is fast, intuitive, and genuinely smart. It doesn't just take orders. It remembers what you like, adapting the cabin to your habits over time. On the road, the i5 feels like it's reading your mind. The adaptive suspension senses imperfections before you do, keeping everything silky smooth. Instant torque delivers that signature BMW punch, silent, powerful, and precise. And when you're covering long distances, the highway assistant takes over steering and speed on certain roads, giving you that relaxed sense of control only true tech can provide. Number 4, Lucid Air. Now this one feels like it floated straight out of the future. The Lucid Air looks so clean and sculpted that it could easily pass for a concept car. But it's real, and it's extraordinary. Step inside, and you're surrounded by light. The panoramic glass roof fills the cabin with a calm glow, and everything you touch feels precise and intentional. It's peaceful, elegant, and incredibly advanced. Lucid's technology takes electric driving to another dimension. With ultra-fast charging and record-breaking range, it outpaces most competitors by hundreds of miles. Plug it in, grab a coffee, and it's ready for another long stretch of highway before you're done sipping. The DreamDrive Pro system uses radar, cameras, and even LiDAR to monitor every inch of your surroundings. It's sharp, smooth, and protective without feeling robotic. Driving the Lucid Air feels like gliding, effortless, silent, and deeply satisfying. It's not a loud luxury. It's a confident, calm brilliance. Number 3, Lamborghini Urus 2025. Now it's time to turn up the volume. The Lamborghini Urus doesn't whisper, it roars. It's big, bold, and built to make every second behind the wheel an event. Every vent, every curve, every edge on this SUV has purpose. Beneath it all sits a twin-turbo V8 pumping out around 675 horsepower. It's brutally quick, but what's fascinating is how controlled it feels. The Urus's adaptive suspension, torque vectoring, and rear-wheel steering all work together to make this monster handle like a much smaller car. It reads your inputs, adapts instantly, and turns wild energy into pure precision. Inside, it's a mix of jet cockpit and luxury lounge, sharp angles, tactile controls, and that signature red flip-up start switch that makes you feel like you're launching a fighter jet. And when you switch to comfort mode, it transforms, the roar fades, the suspension softens, and it becomes a calm, elegant cruiser. The Urus is proof that even the loudest performance car can have a quiet genius behind it. Number 2, Ferrari 12 Cilindri Spider 2025. Now we step into something truly timeless, the Ferrari 12 Cilindri Spider. It isn't just a car, it's a piece of moving art. From the moment you see its long nose and sculpted body, it pulls you in like a masterpiece. Underneath, a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine sings in pure harmony. No turbos, no hybrids, just raw mechanical beauty. The sound alone is an experience, a rising symphony that stirs something deep inside. Ferrari's technology here is invisible but powerful. Rear-wheel steering, magnetic dampers, and precision braking work together to make the car dance through corners. It's fast, but it's also fluent, more poetry than physics. Inside, everything is stripped back and beautiful. 3 digital screens provide everything you need without cluttering the experience. And even the passenger gets their own display to feel part of the performance. Number 1, Mercedes-Benz S-Class 2025. And here it is, the one you've been waiting for. The undisputed king of luxury, the 2025 Mercedes-Benz S-Class. Every version of this car has set a new standard, and this one? It's almost otherworldly. From the moment you close the door, silence takes over. The cabin feels like a sanctuary, soft lighting, flawless materials, and space that seems to breathe around you. The massive MBUX display system glows gently, ready to respond to your voice, your gesture, or even your habits. But the real brilliance hides under the surface. The e-active body control suspension scans the road ahead, preparing for every bump before you even feel it. The result? A ride so smooth it feels like gliding over air. Even turning feels special. The rear wheels steer in the opposite direction at low speeds, making this large sedan surprisingly agile. Every inch of it feels like it's designed for total peace. The S-Class doesn't chase trends, it creates them. It's not just the definition of luxury. It's the future, wrapped in leather and silence. So what do these 8 masterpieces tell us about luxury in 2025? It's not just about engines or price tags anymore. It's about emotion, connection, and the way technology quietly elevates every moment behind the wheel. The CLA makes the small feel grand. Arteon shows simplicity can shine. Tesla redefines what progress means. BMW brings precision to electricity. Lucid gives silence a new voice. Lamborghini proves wild can be wise. Ferrari turns passion into performance. And the S-Class? It remains the ultimate symbol of intelligent perfection. Each one represents a new face of luxury, different in character, but united in purpose. So which one stole your heart? The calm grace of the Lucid Air? The ferocity of the Urus? Or the unmatched serenity of the S-Class? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your pick. If you enjoyed this journey through the world of next-level luxury, make sure to like this video, share it with your fellow car lovers, and subscribe to CarZone for more deep dives into the cars that shape the future. Thanks for watching.